welcome to a new video, and I'm starting it from a different location today. Yeah, starting it from the Strand Hotel. Yeah, they've got a demolition crew in there, so I think the entire hotel's coming down. We've even got a high reach in here. You can see all that back there, that's all come down. Don't think I'll get anything better than that unless if I was to have a drone up, which I was thinking about bringing. But yeah, we're just off Dixon Road, opposite QuickFit, opposite the QuickFit garage. That's where it's happened. So we'll have a walk around the block and see if we can get any rear access or anything. Don't think we will. If we can get rear access of some sort. You can even see it down here as well. Better not though, because there's got demolition crew. So don't really want to get in their way, because it falls off for a reason. Yeah, they're taking it down from the back by the looks of it. So I'll probably make it into a car park or something. And don't throw away, you got the Grand Hotel over there. That's the right side. Nice big hotel. Yeah, I don't really come up this far, to be fair. Got this here, which looks like it's been made into flats, probably. Yeah, it's all flats down here. And just in front of us, we've got the Irish Sea. And for a change, it's actually a nice day. You got the road closed off from here. You can't go that way. We got the all the way closed off, but you can still smell like the smell of afterburning. So yeah, it's a shame. Another hotel. It's been down. You can probably see a bit of it from here. That'd be the reef. Got Strand Hotel over there, so what's actually coming down is called the Strand Lounge, which is probably going to be a insurance job, possibly. Or like people are saying, it could be a weed farm or something. Not exactly the best of things to happen. Yeah, just up that road there. So yeah, we're just north of the North Pier. And as you can see, it looks absolutely gorgeous this front here. Yeah, it's the 1st of February as well, first Saturday of the month. I'm a bit late to the hotel fire, but it's one of them things. I'll have to do weekly updates. This is what it's like a bit further up north anyway. I'm not sure why they've got all this closed off. I'm not sure what they're actually doing to it yet. Not sure whether it's to do with the concrete that's supporting it or not. I'm not entirely sure. Unless if they're planning on maybe, I'd say unless if they're planning on getting rid of all this, but it's quite historical. I imagine it's listed around here. So yeah, I'm going to have a little wander about to see what else is happening on this gorgeous day, because from Sunday I don't think it's supposed to be that good weather. I think this is the only bit of sunshine that I'm actually getting, and it's back to rain again, but hopefully in the long run it'll start to warm up, and hopefully the weather will start getting better so I can get myself out more, and the nights will start getting darker so I'll be able to start coming out after work occasionally. That's one reason I don't come out after work, because pitch black, I won't be able to really exactly see much. So yeah, from the sunny Blackpool, I shall leave it there. I'll catch you all in the next video. So yeah guys, if you enjoyed that video, hit the like button, hit subscribe, ding dong that notification bell. I'll catch you all in the next one.